Did you know that Notion AI can help you generate ideas, write content, and even summarize your scripts all in seconds? In this Notion tutorial, we'll break it down step by step, and by the end, you'll be using Notion AI like a pro. Stick around because I've got a pro tip later in the video that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First, you'll need a Notion account. Head over to notion.so and sign up if you haven't done so already. You can sign up using Google, Apple, or your email. When you log in, Notion will ask you a few questions to tailor the experience to your needs, so be sure to fill in the necessary information. After entering your basic details, you'll be directed to your new Notion workspace. You'll find the interface divided into two main sections: the sidebar and the main workspace. The sidebar on the left allows you to navigate between your profile, which includes your subscription, and the search bar, which lets you quickly jump to a specific page. Notion AI, the tool's newest feature, enables you to get answers powered by AI knowledge and your workspace, which we'll be utilizing throughout the video. Below this, you'll find options like Settings, Pages, and Workspaces. On the other hand, the main workspace is where you'll be creating and editing your content from scratch. Let's say we want to create a script for a new video reviewing the latest AI tools. To start, click on the Create a New Page button in the sidebar next to your profile. This will open a new workspace. Let's name the page AI Tool Review Script. As we hover over the title, we have the option to customize our project. We can add icons or emojis, covers, or even write a comment. For instance, if I need to switch projects and want to find this one easily later on, adding an icon can be very helpful. As you can see, after adding the icon, I can easily track it on the sidebar. Additionally, if you want to make your project more visually appealing, you can add covers. Now let's bring in Notion AI. With your new page open, click on the blank space and press the space key on your keyboard. You'll notice that you can ask the AI anything. Below, you'll find several options to choose from, such as brainstorming ideas or drafting an outline. For example, let's type, write a script for reviewing AI tools, and hit Enter. As you can see, it generates a draft in seconds, outlining the key points for the review. You can either enter a command for further instructions and improvements, or press Enter if you're satisfied with the result. Let's ask the AI to expand our review by providing specific instructions, such as referencing real-time, reliable sources from the web. Another option is to highlight a specific part of your outline and instruct the AI to expand on that section. In just a few seconds, and with minimal effort, you'll have a newly created project complete with ideas, an outline, and a script. Another great feature of Notion is its ability to help us manage projects using AI. For instance, if we want to create an organized to-do list with tables, we'll start by creating a new page and giving it a name. Then press the space key and ask the AI to generate a sample to-do list with a table. After adding a few more details, press Enter to generate the sample. In just a few seconds, you'll have a complete to-do list with a table and specific tasks. If you want to get more creative, you can highlight any part of your project and either edit it yourself, such as changing the size and style of the text, or ask the AI to do it for you. Additionally, you can tweak the contents of your table. For example, if I want to update the status section of the first task to completed, I'll click on the cell and label it as such. In the second row, I might update the status to In Progress, and then assign the task to my co-editor. You can also save your progress and easily locate the page in the sidebar whenever you need to make updates. This feature is incredibly useful for creating weekly reports, tracking progress, and organizing multiple projects. If you have detailed articles or scripts but want to break it down into shorter segments, we can use Notion AI's capabilities, which is also incredibly useful. For example, I have a long-form script for one of our upcoming tutorial videos on our channel. I'll simply copy the original script and paste it into Notion. Then, I'll use the AI features to transform it into short-form content. I'll add specific instructions and set the duration to be between 55 to 60 seconds. Hit enter, and in just a few moments, you'll have concise, ready-to-use content, perfect for a YouTube Shorts video. Notion also allows us to translate content for a global audience. For instance, I want my script to be translated into Spanish. I'll simply highlight all the text I want to translate, type in, and command the AI to change the language. And in a few moments, translation is done instantly while preserving the formatting. If you're working with a team, Notion AI can enhance collaboration by generating meeting agendas or summarizing discussions. For example, if I'm preparing for a team meeting to discuss content strategy for our channel, simply hit the space key and ask the AI to create an agenda for a content strategy meeting. In just a few moments, it will suggest discussion points, such as reviewing past performance, brainstorming new content ideas, and setting deadlines. If the results aren't quite what you need, you can refine them as we discussed earlier. Now here are some pro tips to maximize your use of Notion AI. Tip number 1. Experiment with prompts. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better the AI output. Don't hesitate to try different commands. Tip number 2. Use pre-built templates. Notion AI comes with several pre-built templates that can help you get started quickly. These templates are designed for various tasks, such as content creation, project management, and more. Tip number 3. Stay updated. Notion AI is constantly evolving, so keep an eye on new features and updates to stay ahead of the curve. Now that you've seen how easy it is to use Notion, you're all set to start using it. Ready to explore even more ways to automate your content creation? You'll definitely want to check out our next video.